Hello friends, my name is Simranjit Singh and welcome back to the series on Python. Today I will be talking about a concept that most of the students find confusing. Like you are sitting in an interview and someone asks you have learned a programming language, but what framework you have used and why you have used the framework. Right? So today I will teach you what is the difference between a programming language and framework and why a framework is important. First of all, if we talk about a programming language is used to give instructions to the computer. When you give instructions to a computer, you follow certain rules like syntax or programming language. There are many programming languages available in the market like C, C++, Java and Python. We need to understand that writing a programming language is not the only a task that is required while creating a software. There are many other things that you need to include, like designing a software, then you write a programming code, and after that you do a testing, and there are many other certain small tasks that you need to perform. So programming is just a part of a software development, but it is a very crucial part. Now let's come back to programming. Now while programming, we have two options as a developer. One, I can write my code from the scratch, or I can use a framework. If I decide to write a code from scratch, then I will be responsible for a lot of things, right? But if we are using a framework, so frameworks are written by basically experts. Framework is like a software that is built on the top of programming language, right? So it provides you ton of libraries, security codes, which you need to write if you are writing the code from scratch. So framework basically helps to take away a lot of our burden by reducing the redundant code that we need to write, and plus providing lot of security features or a production configuration features which I might not be comfortable as a programmer to implement if I am writing a code from scratch. Now just to summarize, let's say if I am creating a solution in a Python language and I decided to write the code without using a framework, then I have to write a lot of code because programming sometimes requires a lot of redundant tasks to be written. Moreover, I need to take care of another aspects like configuration of my software. Then I have to write that code also. I have to look for the security part also, because security plays a crucial role in the success of an application these days. On the other hand, if I select a framework which is already tested by seniors or expert developers, then there are a lot of things that my framework will already do, and I know that I have to focus only on the logic of my application. At last, you need to understand that even in a programming languages, there are multiple frameworks available. For example, in Python, if you want to be a web developer, you need to learn either Django or Flask. Same way, in Python, if you want to go for a deep learning and machine learning, then there is a TensorFlow. I hope now the concept of framework is clear. And if you like my video, do subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.